This lick was requested by a subscriber, so we're going to go break down this lick. If your pentatonic licks are all sounding the same and like the scale, check out this one. Stay to the end and watch this lick on how this simple pentatonic pattern can really spice up your playing. Okay, so what was that? Why does it sound so good? Why does it sound so cool? And it sounds a lot more difficult and complicated than it is. So this lick is over a minor 7 chord, in this case a G. Okay, and it's just a G minor pentatonic. We kind of have to begin to expand from our box here in order to play it. In case you didn't know, the minor pentatonic is the same as a major pentatonic 3 frets up, because it's the relative minor. Same note. My favourite shape for pentatonics is this kind of major shape, beginning from a major pentatonic, but they're the same, as you'll begin to see. So normally our 1 finger per fret is 6, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 7 shape. But the shape I like is, if we're going from B flat, will be 6, 8, 10, the next string along, 8, 10, next string along, 8, 10, 12, and then 10, 12, and then you got your next note on that 15th fret. But essentially the shape is everything moves for the most part in a tone gap, so 2 frets. So you get 2 changes on the root string, then 1 change, then 2 changes, then 1 change, or 3 notes and 2 notes. So 3 notes on that string, 2 notes, 3 notes, 2 notes, and that's a simple way of breaking down the shape. Okay, obviously you want to learn the intervals and how it fits into the rest of it, so that you've got intervals, so you've got access to the rest of the scale and you're not just trapped in a position. But this is a good shape to get around the fretboard, use it like a ladder. Okay, and this is basically where this lick actually pulls from. So I got the idea from a bass player called Young Chuck, and he plays some cool phrasing that was kind of the first time I heard phrasing of a pentatonic in that way that sounded different. And all it is we're starting from the 12th fret here, which in relation to G is a 5th. What we're going to do is we're going to hammer on to the 5th, so 10, 12, and then 8, 10, up 1, down 2, up 1, down 2, up 1, in the shape of our minor pentatonic here, or same as the major. If you want to make it minor, just end on the G. But if I hang here on that B flat, it sounds major. Again, it's just a pattern of scales, so you're going to go up 1, down 2, up 1, down 2, up 1, down 2, up 1, down 2, up 1, down to up 1, down to up. And with the lick here, we do that. We do that until we get to our 8th fret. It's a little slide down. So approach note to our 8th fret. Just minor 3rd and root, or 6th fret, 3rd fret. The rhythm is 16th notes, so it's groupings of 2 16th notes starting on the of beat 4. So it's like 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and it ends on that and a. So the 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. That is an easy pattern to take and spice up your pentatonic runs, spice up your pentatonic feels. And the good thing about pentatonics is they work in pretty much any case. Anytime you're sitting on a minor chord, you've got all that pentatonic flavour at your fingertips. And it can work the other way. It sounds quite cool because even though the pattern starts going up, the overall melody is getting lower. So we can technically do it the other way if I think about it. So it'd be down 1, up 2. So that might sound like. Again, down 1, up 2, down 1, up 2, down 1, up 2, down 1, up 2, you get the idea. Simple enough, right? So take the lick, take the transcription, practice it in different keys, add it to your playing. Comment below if you want any more particular licks broken down. Tag me in a video, send it my way. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel. Guys, we've crossed 3,000 subscribers, so please tag me in your playing. Like, if you post a video on Instagram, tag me. It's at @the_official_C on Instagram. Hopefully I'll see you guys there. And as always, stay bass cloud.